My nigga Justin.
What up, dog? Gangsta dope. G'd up, is dragged down. Oh yeah, just ripping ass.
He's farting and shit while we walking. He goes, he don't even pick up his leg. He's as he walk, he. I'm an asshole. I don't know. What are we gonna do tonight, brother?
I don't know. I want to get drunk. I want to get finnuck. I want to get my finnuck on.
He wants to get his pussy juice wet. That's what he wants to get his nut on with a. What's her face? Shaniqua.
Shanae. Shanae.
Shanae.
Quans.
Or he's probably gonna bump him. One of his homeboys that got hit, his face hit the floor. You know? He thought he was a OG, triple G, double G dog.
In my motherfucking butt.
You know, we're gonna go trash a place because he's like an eighth of a 16th Mexican. Just his last name, because he says Rivera. It's Rivera.
Rivera. I'm from Guadalajara, Guadalupe, Mexico.
We're walking to our train station.
Back they get my nickname Kush. They want that bubble Kush. They want that stinky steak green.
So, see who the fuck are these fools coming?
We went to the Wooden Nickel yesterday, right up here.